Good morning. In this presentation we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Gold today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened from Monday. So the Monday market opened, MCX Gold opened around 29,120. Yeah. So this is the zone where the market opened on Monday, which is just above the last week's high. You can see that we expected some buying in gold market having 29,000 and 28,920 as a major support zone. Till 28,920 we expected some buying to happen in gold. So let us see what happened after that. After the price opened around 29,120, you can see there was some buying impact and it tested the resistance of 29,160 and it was consolidating. Again it came down and tested 29,120. You can see after just a little pullback towards the upper side, the market then came down and tested the opening again. And again from the price opening here around 29,120, which means this 29,120 is providing a good support for gold market. So it tried to test this 29,160 and it was quite successful in breaking this support resistance, and it went till 29,200, which is again a resistance for gold market. After that what happened, you can see that this support which 29,160 which acted as a support was broken, and the bottom support was also broken, but the market came down drastically. This is the type of volatility you can expect in gold market. But it will stay in trend. That is the reason we always say be careful with support and resistance. So after a huge profit like what happened last week, after a good profit, so you need to book profit at regular intervals and wait for a beautiful opportunity for drop, and then you can enter into the market. So I would like to see what happened after this huge drop. We expected some buying till 28,920. So this is the major support zone. So that is the reason you can see, and you can see our previous presentations and why this 29,920 which we are saying as a major support zone. So after testing the major support zone, you can very well see there was a very beautiful recovery. You can see a recovery. That is a trend. This is called, we call it as a trend. Whenever the price is staying in trend, we always expect some price to drop, so that will provide us an opportunity for buying on days. If for example, if the price is climbing from here and it is straight away going there, market can reach even 50,000 within few days. So that is not the way how the market works. The profit because people expect the gold price to come down for buying for another buying opportunity. So on Monday the market provided a buying opportunity, so testing some major support zones, and most of the people who have made use of that. So you can see that is the reason the market has provided a complete recovery, and it came up and closed near the previous days, that is on Monday's high. You can see this was a high. So from here the market dropped, and again it took the very good support and the close near the high. So the next day on Tuesday, that is yesterday, gold market opened around 29,160, which is again a support zone. So yesterday also we expected some buying to happen in gold. So you can see that straight away it is a very good gain in gold market. So you can very well notice that after the price it took the support around 29,160. The another important thing which we want to say is that the reason why we are providing all these recommendations and analysis package before the market opens is that just because you can be prepared for trading, and it is all about making a trading decision. It is not the most important thing is that making a trading decision at the right time. So after the price has moved, everything everything had happened, then you are going and again re-entering the market is not going to work in this type of trading. So that is the reason if you have made all your clear decisions here, then you would have made some profit. That is the reason we are providing all these analysis and these video presentations before the market opening, so that you can be prepared for this, and you can have your own ideas into your trading plan, and you can modify your trading plan according to the available funds which you are having in your trading account. So let us see what happened after the price reached some targets of around 29,260. It was straight away 100 points gain, more than 100 golden gain yesterday. So after that the market provided a very strong resistance here. So you can very well see that from 29,260 it is again a very clear drop. So the market, gold market, is trying to follow a certain pattern, because on Monday also there was a pullback and very steep drop, and then it bounced back. So let us see what happened after this drop. But the market provided support at 29,120. So you can very well see that the market provided some support at 29,120. The reason is that 29,120 provided a good support on Monday. So that is the reason many buyers thought that this can be a good support, and then again went for a buying. And one more thing we want to, so there are a lot of things we want to inform you at times whenever we get an opportunity. Whenever the market is bounced back to certain extent and it is dropping down, so whenever you are going for average, that is the reason why we are saying try to book average profit for the average lots at regular intervals. If you have gone for a buying, try to book at a minimum profit rather than waiting for huge gains. If you are very perfect in picking earlier, then it is well and good. Stay away from the market and wait for some opportunity, so that you can get some good opportunity after that. So this 29,120 provided support, and market went and tested this 29,200. If you want to know why this 29,200 we have marked, or everywhere we have marked this blue lines which indicates resistance and support levels based on the price actions happened in the past. So this is not that every day we are coming and drawing this line. It is based upon the history of charts we have drawn this, and you should also practice in the same way, so that you can also master the support and resistance. So I straight away it came down and closed around 29,120, which is again a good support zone for gold market. So when we compare the price actions, what is happening for the last 2 days, we can see 29,120 is a closing, and on Monday the market closed a bit higher, and yesterday is also there was some gain, because every day it's reaching new high. So the closing is just around 29,120, and the Monday, you can see Monday market opened around 29,120, and now we are in the same zone. After some gains around above 100 points, we had some gain of around 100 points, not more than 100 points. Now we are in the same situation, which means that the market is consolidating with the buy trend. This is a clear example how a market consolidates, keeping its trend intact. So this is the reason why we are saying that whenever the market has reached to a certain extent, it will consolidate and then it will bounce back. Today we are expecting gold to open around 29,080 to 29,100. This is the zone where we are expecting gold to open, which is going to be below this 29,120, which is the major. We know this is going to act as a resistance for gold, but this is not an indication. Since the price is opening below this zone, major resistance zone, we cannot say that the gold is going down. Still, the trend is favoring for buying. So you can go for a buying till this zone 28,920. This is going to be the major support zone. 28,960 to 28,920 is going to act as a major support zone. Till this zone you can go for a buying. Unless until the price is going to stay close below this zone, we are not going for any sell calls. So only if the price is going to close below this 28,920, we will get a confirmation that the price can go down. Till then, gold is good for buying. But while averaging, please follow all the money management techniques. Book profit at regular intervals. So the expected targets, you know very well, we can expect 19,300 if the price is staying above. So let us see what's going to happen for today. And one important announcement: all this video presentation will be available for YouTube subscribers alone, and people who are going to visit our blog www.onlinecommoditytradingmcx.com, and also this will be available free for this month alone. So from the next month, it is going to be purely going to be available for only for the clients of Alesco CTS Asset Management Service. Thanks a lot and supporting us and watching our video. Thank you. Take care.